Welcome to Olympia School.
His son-in-law, Timothy.
What is your name?
Island. Well, today's lesson will be useful for everyone. First say your name, then what you want to do, and how you feel about everyone here. Timothy, may we begin?
My name is Timothy.
I love junk food, and I think everyone does. This is great, Timothy. Adam feature, why not make one for May?
My name's Adam and I love and I think everyone's a hero.
Let's listen to your civil language.
Oh, I'm singing.
Great for kindergarten, follow the corner for 5 million years.
Johnny, it's you.
My name is Johnny. I like math, and I think AB is stupid, because 2 plus 2 actually 4 is not 5. He's a crazy singer for about 5 minutes.
But I got $5 million and he only got 5 calls.
It's your turn, Theo. My name's Theo, and I love goals, and you are all amazing. Hugh and Okie kiss. Vinny, you can go ahead.
It's a wig. I hope to be rich one day, and I think I already am.
Theo, cheeky cornet with 5 minutes of current exposure.
Now it's your turn, Roxy.
Name's Roxy, and I love my beautiful voice. And none of you are wonderful except sweet Theo, my darling.
Yes! Roxy! Tracy is a great host.
I'm Darcy. I like bananas. And I think you.
For wife is also angry. She doesn't know what his name is. I forgot to greet the class. My name is Miss Fryer Scott. You look beautiful. Keep the fork!
Now last but not least, it's your turn, Tom.
My name is Thomas Vanrikomov. His name is Schumann. Adam, can you sing? Encourage me. Adam, shut up, or you'll go to the corner and go to the king. Wow! Anyways, I'm sorry, Darcy. No, I mean Thomas. My name is Thomas. I like movies, and I think all the super celebs except Adam. Light! Wow, thanks for watching. Vinny wants to give you a gift. Hello? Hello? What is that? Goodbye.